Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Through Talks podcast. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Daniel. Hello, everyone. We hope you are having a great day today.
Today, we have another simple and useful English conversation for beginners.
Yes, today's topic is English conversation at the supermarket.
This is a very common real-life situation because almost everyone goes shopping for food and daily things.
Exactly. And today we will practice useful English phrases you can use at a supermarket.
Okay, Daniel, imagine we are at the supermarket now.
All right? I already want snacks.
Haha, you always want snacks.
That's true.
Wow, this supermarket is really big.
Yes, there are so many things here.
I only came to buy milk and bread.
And you will probably leave with 10 other things too.
Haha, maybe. That always happens.
Excuse me, where can I find the rice?
The rice is in aisle 7.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Aisle is an important supermarket word.
Yes. An aisle is the space between rows of products in a store.
For example, aisle 1, aisle 2, aisle 3.
Sarah, do you enjoy grocery shopping?
Sometimes, I like looking at fresh fruits and snacks.
Same. But I don't like long checkout lines.
Nobody likes waiting in long lines. Daniel, what do you usually buy at the supermarket?
Bread, eggs, pasta, fruit, coffee, and sometimes frozen pizza.
Frozen pizza again.
It's quick and easy.
You really love easy food.
Cooking is hard sometimes.
I like buying vegetables and fresh food.
You are healthier than me.
I try to be healthy, but I still buy chocolate.
Same. I always buy snacks, even when I say I won't. Excuse me, how much are these apples?
They are $3 per kilogram.
Okay, thank you.
How much is this? Is a very useful phrase while shopping.
Yes. You can also ask, how much are these for plural items?
Daniel, do you prefer supermarkets or small local shops?
I think supermarkets are more convenient because everything is in one place.
That's true. But small shops sometimes feel more friendly.
Yes, and sometimes the food is fresher too.
Oh, look, there's a bakery section.
I can smell fresh bread.
It smells amazing.
Now I'm hungry.
What is your favorite thing to buy at supermarkets?
Probably ice cream.
Haha, of course. What flavor?
Chocolate. Always chocolate.
Good choice. I like vanilla and strawberry.
Okay, Sarah. Let's continue shopping.
All right. I need vegetables for dinner tonight.
What are you cooking?
Maybe soup and pasta.
That sounds delicious.
Excuse me, where is the dairy section?
It's near the back of the store, next to the juice section.
Thank you very much.
No problem.
Dairy section is where you find milk, cheese, yogurt, and butter.
Exactly. Supermarkets usually have different sections for different foods.
Do you make shopping lists before going to the supermarket?
Yes, always. It helps me remember what I need.
I should start doing that.
Why?
Because I always forget something important.
Haha, like what?
Last week, I bought coffee, snacks, and juice, but forgot bread and eggs.
That sounds like you.
Now imagine we are at the checkout counter.
Hello, did you find everything you needed today?
Yes, thank you.
Would you like a bag?
Yes, please.
Your total is $23.
Here you go.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too.
Would you like a bag? Is a common question at supermarkets.
And your total is means the final price.
Daniel, do you prefer paying with cash or card?
Usually card. It's faster.
Same, but sometimes I still carry cash.
Shopping in English can feel difficult at first.
Yes, but learning simple phrases can make it much easier.
For example, where can I find? How much is this? I would like a bag, please.
These are simple but very useful sentences.
Today we practiced many real-life supermarket English phrases.
We talked about food, prices, shopping lists, checkout counters, and asking for help in stores.
And practicing conversations like this can help improve your English speaking confidence.
Thank you so much for listening to English Through Talks Through podcast.
We hope this easy English conversation helped you improve your listening and speaking skills.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this podcast with your friends.
And tell us in the comments, what do you usually buy at the supermarket?
We would love to read your answers.
See you next time, everyone.
Bye.